welcome to another video. Today, I'm playing with my friend and we're using diamond pistols.
They are going to be in the preset classes. I do not have diamond pistols. I got this off of COD TV.
Alright, I'm waiting for you to start it.
I'm not that huge. Let's go.
So we're just using pistols, right? Or are we also using tomahawks?
Only use the pistols.
Okay.
That are inside the class, okay?
And then all the way at the bottom, you said?
Yeah, look at this, okay?
Right.
It's 5.7, TAC 45, V23 are in TAC 40. Don't use the execution, just a second down.
So use 5.7?
If you want to. The TAC 45 is better, but I think I don't know what you want to use.
Ooh, it's so dying.
Oh, there's nothing on, I forgot. Dang it. Sorry.
Crap. I can't find you, cuz. What the heck? Why are you dying? Now that's just unfair in so many ways. I can't hit. Why can't I kill you? That's what I want to know. How come this gun is being very crappy for me and it's not letting me kill you?
This is TAC 45.
Where the heck is he?
Hi!
You know what?
So, hi.
Oh my god. You know what I feel like doing right now? I just feel like rage quitting right now.
You gotta have a good trigger finger.
Okay, I give up. I'm done. You made me rage quit already.
Where are you?
Hostile UAV above.
Did you not hear I give up? Are you kidding me? Do you see this? I am shooting him and he's not dying. That is bad. Well then this game just became really worse. It is glitched. Where the moms are, man? Yeah, I think this is totally unfair that I can't even get at least a hit mark on him. I feel like throwing my controller in there. I feel like you're getting me to the point where I really want to quit right now. I am literally shooting. Finally. You saw that? I was shooting him directly in the head. And he did not die until like right now. No, you glitched it somehow for me.
Hi! Hi!
See, it's glitched. It is glitched. It is glitched. This is exactly what happened to my friend. He tried hitting me, he couldn't even hit me. We weren't on Instagram, man. I don't even have it.
Your internet. Your internet.
Goodness. Freaking lizard squad.
Lizard
I got hacked by Lizard Squad. I'm not lying, I did. Right after Christmas.
They don't do it to people. They do it to the whole company.
No. Are you kidding me? That's freaking nice and directly.
Believe me, I should know what Lizard Squad does. Not that I'm in Lizard Squad, of course, because so much. So it happens. Because I watch a whole bunch of videos on YouTube. That's all I do in Facebook. That's what I do.
Great, I think I'm 6 now, thanks to them too.
Oh, that was a mistake. 3.
I don't know if I'm sick. I'm not coughing, but my eyes are watering right now. Okay, I am never playing Bo2 again after this.
No, don't say that, don't say that. Bo2 is a bomb, don't do that.
Be advised, hostile counter UAV is online.
Dang, your trigger finger wrecked me. Dang! Ooh, that is... Okay, so I know...
Mistakes were made. What the heck are you trying to do?
I'm trying to get this pistol back because I switched my top back.
The flag is free, the flag is free. I saw
Trying to
that.
get my trigger finger like really good. Okay.
Mistakes were made. Oh.
Oh god. My arm is hurting because I'm trying to do like a...
You nice me.
Wait! No, get me!
You nice
Wait, how did I kill you? How did I get him?
What the heck? It looked like you knifed me though.
Oh shit, you
Well, I hope you guys all enjoyed that video where he kicked my freaking butt again, as usual. So don't forget to please subscribe and leave a comment. And can we get like maybe 2 likes? Yeah, thanks. Bye bye. I like turtles. Bye. And peace.